So let's overview what we talked about in this module. The first thing that we did is we looked at the different types of menus, and we saw that there was a context menu, an option menu, and submenus, and we looked a little bit at the checkable items and how that affects different menus and groups. Then we went through a demo and we actually created an option menu for our Android application for our protein tracker. And we saw that there were two methods that you needed to override there in our activity, one for creating the option menu and one for handling the clicks. And then we also looked at how to use the XML layout editor for creating an XML menu. Then we looked at creating a context menu, and we saw that that was almost exactly the same thing. The only thing different was that we needed to register a particular view to handle that particular menu. So we did that, and we set that up, and we registered a click on there so that we could go to our preferences screen from there also. And then we also looked at the groups there and saw that we could create checkable items that would create a radio box or our checkboxes by our items in a context menu when they're inside a group. Then we took a look at creating a submenu, and we hooked up a submenu to our option menu, and we made it so that one of those submenus would display a message when it was clicked. So that's really all there is to menus. It's actually very easy to do in Android, just like any of the other things in Android that seem hard at first. It is, once you know what to do, I've found that doing Android development is actually rather easy.